Hi guys, this is Vijay and I hope you are doing well. In this video lecture, I will explain the technology used in the aircraft engine. Let us start with introduction of gas turbine engine. First of all, what is gas turbine engine? When you go to an airport and see the commercial jets there, you may notice that the huge engines that power them. Most commercial jets are powered by turbofan engines, and turbofans are one of the example of gas turbine engines. You may have never heard about the gas turbine engine, but they are used in all kinds of unexpected places. For example, it is used in aircraft application, like as it is used in aeroplanes and helicopters. It is also used where fresh water is scarce, fuel supplies are cheap, and space requirements are limited. For example, in offshore application, in electrical power generation, and in certain industrial processes, as well as consider their role in marine, locomotive, and automotive propulsion. In today's world, gas turbine engine is widely used to generate power. The gas turbine is one of the oldest device known to man for conversion of heat into mechanical work. Okay, so the general principle of gas turbine is to convert the chemical energy of fuel into heat energy and heat energy into mechanical energy. The gas turbine is a most satisfactory power developing unit among various means of producing mechanical power due to its exceptional reliability, freedom from vibration, and ability to produce large powers from a unit of comparatively small size and weight. The rapid progress in gas turbine development was made as a result of industrial and military needs. The use of gas turbine in power generation industry is more recent than its use in any other fields. In this lecture, we will look at gas turbine engines to see how it operates. Let's take a closer look at how they work. It works on Newton's third law of motion. Just like the reaction of force produced by the air move the balloons, the reaction force produced by the high-speed jet at nozzle side of the jet engine makes it to move forward. This thrust force makes an aircraft to move forward. To understand in details how gas turbine engine works, we need to know what does it consist of. Gas turbine engines is divided into 5 sections, namely intake section, compressor section, combustion section, turbine section, and exhaust section. So how does a turbo engine operates? Intake section allows air as the working fluid to go to the compressor. The compressor will then compress the air into high pressure, and the fuel is burnt into the combustion chamber when the compressed air is supplied from the compressor. Almost any types of hydrocarbon fuel, from high octane gasoline to heavy diesel oils, can be used as the fuel in combustion chamber. This will produce high temperature and high velocity of gases. So we know that combustion is a chemical reaction. For that we require the oxygen and carbon. So carbon is already available in fuel, and oxygen we can supply it through air. These high pressure gases will pass through the turbine, and we know that turbine is a one type of expander and it will produce the work. The part of the work developed by the gases passing through the turbine is used to run the compressor and other auxiliaries, and remaining is used to produce the thrust. The gases with the high energy can be expanded in a nozzle section to produce a high velocity jet. Thus the process of producing high jet at the outlet has become a self-sustainable. Then we will get continuous supply of high velocity jet and thrust force to the aircraft. So it works on the Newton's third law of motion, just like the reaction of force produced by the air move to the balloon. The reaction force produced by the high speed jet at the nozzle side of the jet engine makes it to move forward. This thrust force make an aircraft to move forward. This is the working principle of aircraft engine. I hope this content it will be helpful to you to understand the working principle of aircraft engine. So the next time you travel in aircraft, you would understand how the aircraft operates. Thank you friends for watching this video.